Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we saw how Montu spent the night with his 4 other friends. To get relief from a situation, he was almost making another mistake. But with presence of mind, he escaped that situation. You know, drinking alcohol gives a temporary relief from bad thinking, but it never helps to get away from fear of anxiety, right? So next morning onwards, he started having hallucination on fear of losing. So in current term, you may call it what? Anxiety. So this is a very common stress that we all have, and doesn't matter whatever you try, it keeps coming and it goes also. Just need to wait for the time. So throughout our life, we face different type of fear, and solution to overcome also varies. I mean, if you want to believe that. A job which he was almost getting, but just because of his stupidity, he is going to lose it. So his brain can't think of anything except the thought of that he could have easily passed the interview. In this situation, my friend, people like Montu starts thinking impractical probabilities. Like if he is a film hero, he could have easily impressed the panelist. If he was a magician, he can change the result, right? If he was a super influential person like a politician, just one phone call and the job is right? Imagination doesn't stop. The fun part is these type of imagination comes at any moment, at any place, in shower, in dining place, in classroom, when in the bus, even walking on the road. So Montu is having all sorts of imagination and changing the selection result in his dream. Have you ever faced this in your life? I'm sure you have, right? So during this fear of losing episode, Montu was thinking all sorts of probabilities. Like if he get the job, who should get the credit for? If he loses, how will he manage the situation when his friends or parents or any relatives will ask him, hey, did you get the job? Which company? How much is the starting salary? When is the joining date? When are you having the celebration? Etc. etc. Or the people who already knows the result, they will say, don't worry, this is just start of career and you will get ample opportunity and I'm sure you will crack next time. The people who are confused, like whether Montu has got the job or not, they will say, so how was the interview? Sam got a high paid job in XX company, you know. Ritik wants to go to abroad, so I mean for higher study, so he doesn't want to appear for the interview. But I know he was lying, actually he could not make it. So there are few well-wishers also, and who they will say, don't worry, go for startup. Our government are encouraging everyone and giving financial help also. As if startup is like buy a bicycle and your business just started. Montu was in his final year in the college. So it's really not much to worry if he does not pass the interview, right? Friends, in this scenario, even if you want to ignore, people in your surroundings will keep you reminding. And that is the main pain point. I mean, you want to ignore, but you will be reminded all the time. So next day, the interview result published in the notice board. Montu rushed to the college notice board. His heartbeat is increasing. He was breathing heavily because of the running. Legs are shaking in excitement for unexpected news. Because he still thinks that his interview was good. He just had a wrong situation because of the smoking smell. But he did correctly. So he starts reading the notice from top to bottom, side to side, but could not find his name. So as it normally happens, he got completely upset. He repeatedly checked the notice board. Just before leaving, when he is fully upset and he is 100% confirmed that he did not make it this time, he turned his eyes for the last time to the notice board and his eyes got stuck in one place. Imagine what? All the 4 friends with whom he had the drink last night and he has given the treat are selected for the job, except him. Friends, situation arrived. Now tell me how you would have handled this if you are in Montu's position. Again, you can write in your comment box. So, actual situation is you have to manage. I mean, right now you just know what happened. Now you have to keep managing it, at least until everything is okay. Let me tell you, if I was there, how I could have managed the situation. I would have cried for sure. Well, not in front of everyone for sure, and will stay away for those 4 friends definitely, at least for the few days, or until I recover from the fear of losing and shamefulness. Friends got the job. They appraised a lot to me, but I could not make it. So this would make me real stupid to all, isn't it? Now let's see how Montu managed the situation. So he went to a little lonely place where he can spend some time on his own. He spent about half a day over there. It's not that he's sad because his friends got the job and he's jealous about it. No, it's not that. The question is how he will keep maintaining the same environment without hesitation with these 4 friends. And things should be like nothing happened. Don't worry, right? Nothing to worry. Next time he will do better. Almost at noon, he went back to hostel. His friends were waiting for him. They were really scared. They immediately rushed to Montu and asked where he was. They have been searching for him all over the place and also worried. They did not talk about the result, was just asking for his wellness. Montu with smile asked them, friends, you know I am not perfect. Also never bothered to ask why I am not perfect. Can I ask a question? Friends replied, sure, we are always with you, my friend. Tell us what's wrong. Montu said, please be open and be honest. Tell me how I can improve myself. Most people doesn't want to hear negative feedback about them, correct? Would you like to hear negative feedback about you? Especially in friend circle. If you have seen, that's really great. But most cases, people don't do that. The friends who were appraising him last night and always enjoyed together now are forced to tell the negativity Montu has. Montu wholeheartedly listened to them and their advice. Friends, this was a win-win situation, isn't it? Their friendship continued as is. Rather, Montu's friend took the responsibility to prepare him for a job next time, right? A situation that could have broke a lot of things has turned into positive vibe. We'll come with next event from Montu in my next video. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon, share and comment. Bye bye.